Today I'm going to be repairing a crack in my driveway, and I will be using this non-sag crack repair sealant. I can't use the self-leveling since the driveway is at an angle. But before I go ahead and put this into the crack, I need to widen the crack using this crack chasing diamond cut blade. This blade is good to cut the crack open about 1/4 of an inch. Your scenario may be different depending on the size of the crack, but let's get right to it and start chasing this crack. Now that I got the crack in my driveway widened, I need to clean the crack out as best as possible. Now the crack isn't that wide. I don't have any backer rod that I can put down in here that is small enough for this crack. But the crack is also pretty deep. So before I go ahead and fill it, I am just going to fill in the void with some play sand. And I'm not going to fill it to the top. I want it about 1/4 inch from the top of the crack. Now to gently blow the excess sand out. I don't want to blow all the sand out, so now that I got the sand sitting roughly below 1/4 of an inch, it's time to use the Sikaflex polyurethane repair. And I cut it at a 45, and I'm just using a regular caulking gun. Now to smooth it out without making too much of a mess. Now while it's still sticky, I'm going to go ahead and cover it generously with some play sand. Now I'm just going to clean up all my tools, and by the time I'm done with that, the sand should be ready to be blown off the driveway. That's going to do it for today's repair. I'm going to give this about 6 hours before we even attempt to dry over it. And if you do attempt this at home, make sure to watch a safety video on how to use grinders. They can be pretty deadly if you don't use them right, and don't take this video as advice on how to use a grinder. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave, and this fix is done.